Discover top printers ideal for heat transfer projects, delivering crisp, vibrant prints that transfer cleanly onto fabrics, mugs, and other surfaces. These reliable models make creating custom apparel and personalized items easy and professional looking. Starting at number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2750. The Epson EcoTank ET2750. Wireless color, all-in-one cartridge. Free SuperTank Printer is a feature-rich all-in-one printer that combines printing, scanning, and copying with a revolutionary cartridge-free EcoTank system designed to dramatically reduce running costs. Instead of traditional ink cartridges, it uses large, refillable ink tanks that come with enough ink for up to about 2 years of typical printing, helping you save significantly on replacement ink bottles over time. The printer supports wireless and Ethernet connectivity, allowing easy printing from computers, tablets, and smartphones, and offers automatic two-sided printing to conserve paper. With high-resolution output and versatile media handling, it delivers sharp text and vivid color documents, while its compact design fits well in home offices or small workspaces. Number 2. HP OfficeJet Pro 9 Fine. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 all-in-one wireless printer is a smart, versatile all-in-one printer built to boost your home office productivity. It delivers fast print speeds, up to about 22 ppm in black and 18 ppm in color, and supports printing, scanning, copying, and faxing with ease. With built-in wireless and Ethernet connectivity, plus compatibility with mobile printing services like HP Smart, Apple AirPrint, and Wi-Fi Direct, you can print from smartphones, tablets, and laptops with minimal setup. The printer includes a 35-sheet automatic document feeder for handling multi-page jobs, automatic two-sided printing and scanning to save time and paper, and a color touchscreen for intuitive control. It's also compatible with HP Instant Ink, which can help reduce ink costs and automate ink replacement. Enhanced security features and optional voice-activated printing with Alexa add modern convenience to this reliable all-in-one solution for busy home offices. Number 3. Brother HL L2320D. The Brother HL L2320D mono laser printer is a reliable and efficient monochrome laser printer designed for straightforward printing tasks. It delivers crisp black and white output at speeds of up to 30 pages per minute, making it ideal for home offices or small workspaces where fast text printing is a priority. The printer features automatic duplex, two-sided printing to help save paper and reduce operating costs, and it supports a variety of paper types and sizes from standard A4 and letter to envelopes and labels. With a 250-sheet input tray and USB 2.0 connectivity, setup and everyday use are simple, while the compact black design fits neatly into most desks without taking up too much space. Built-in energy-saving features also help reduce power consumption, and the unit comes with a 1-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Number 4. Workforce WF77 The Epson Workforce WF77 wireless wide format, color inkjet printer is a versatile all-in-one solution designed for home and small office environments that need high-quality, wide-format printing. It handles printing, scanning, copying, and faxing, and supports wireless, Wi-Fi Direct, and Ethernet connectivity for flexible setup and mobile printing. This printer stands out with its ability to print wide-format documents up to 13 by 19 inches, making it great for posters, spreadsheets, photos, and creative projects, while automatic two-sided printing helps save paper. The intuitive control panel and robust performance make everyday tasks smooth and efficient, and the unit is compatible with Amazon Dash replenishment to automate ink ordering when levels run low. Overall, the WF7710 combines productivity features with versatile media handling for a powerful wide-format printing experience. Number 5. Epson EcoTank ET2720. The Epson EcoTank ET2720. Wireless color, all-in-one SuperTank printer is an economical and versatile printer designed for everyday home printing needs. Featuring Epson's innovative cartridge-free EcoTank system with large refillable ink tanks, it delivers extremely low-cost printing and comes with enough ink to print thousands of pages right out of the box. The all-in-one design handles printing, scanning, and copying with ease, while built-in wireless connectivity allows you to print from computers, tablets, and smartphones using your home Wi-Fi network. Its compact black design fits well in smaller workspaces, and the easy-to-use control panel makes setup and operation straightforward. Ideal for families, students, and home office users, this printer combines affordability with reliable performance.